Welcome back to part 2 of the SteelSeries signature fault repair. In this update, we'll see how my repair is holding up and dive into the one-off parts that need some attention. Stick around as we will also be looking at some alternatives and how to keep enjoying your headset for a longer time. Alright, let's get into it. As you can see from my repair, I have added some baking soda and super glue on top of the glue I had used initially so as to add more strength to the area. The mixture has turned yellow over time, but it's still solid as a rock. So far, the repair has held up really well. I've been using these headphones daily for more than a year, and the cracked joint hasn't caused any further issues. While the crack repair is holding up very well, there are still a couple of things that need some attention. First, the outer plastic on the wires is starting to break down. It doesn't affect functionality, but at the same time, it doesn't look nice. To fix this, I am going to be using some universal spiral charger protective cord, which I got from AliExpress. It's a very simple fix, actually, and doesn't require any glue. The way that it works is you start off the protective cord on one end of the wire, and while holding it at the first coil, wrap it around the cable while pushing the following coils together every 2 to 3 turns.
A few moments later.
I'm done with all the wrapping, which took about 30 minutes, and just look at the final results for yourself. I think they look very good, almost back to new. If you don't like the cable wrapping, you can always get a new chat dial from SteelSeries website or try to find it on eBay. Next up, the ear pads. They are totally worn out, but luckily you can replace them with parts directly from SteelSeries or find cheaper options on AliExpress. I'm going to go with the AliExpress version because it's more affordable and the quality looks about the same. I also found that on AliExpress you can find the earpads in different colors. If that's your thing, then it's a plus. I bought 2 sets of earpads from AliExpress, one for the SteelSeries and the other set for another wireless headset that I will reveal at the end of the video. I'll show you how simple it is to replace these earpads. Good thing they do not use any glue. On the back of the earpad is a plastic ring. This ring is responsible for attaching the earpad to the ear cup. There is a notch on the face of each ear cup. The notch is part of the groove that holds the plastic ring in place, which in turn holds the earpad in place. This is where we have to start inserting the earpad. Inserting it is very simple. With one hand, support the back of the ear cup and with the other hand, start running the plastic ring through the notch and into the groove while holding it in. Rotate the ear cup with some gentle downward force until the whole plastic ring is properly sitting in that groove. And that's it. So one side is done, now let's do the other side using the same technique. It looks good and is properly seated in place. Time to test them again, but before we do that, let me show you the other headphones that these earpads are also compatible with. This is the Sennheiser 4.40 Bluetooth headset. I got them from eBay and they are broken on one side, but that is a repair for another time. Okay, back to the test. So the mini restoration worked very well, the cable looks good, the earpads are comfortable, and I'm happy I can fully enjoy my headphones once again. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.